Passive income is a lie. Most of what you see on this platform isn't actually passive. It's just a second job in disguise. We're told to build automated empires while we're already burned out from a 40-hour work week. But let's be honest, who has the energy to manage a dropshipping store or a complex rental property at 10 p.m.? I got tired of the hustle culture noise. So I decided to stop guessing. For the last month, I put 5 of the most popular passive income streams to the test. I tracked every single hour spent and every single cent earned. I wanted to see which ones actually pay out and which ones are just a trap for the desperate. Some were total scams. Others were just active jobs with fancy names. But a few, they actually worked. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which 5 methods deliver sustainable wealth without adding another 20 hours to your work week. Let's look at the data. You've seen the ads. A guy on a beach telling you to start a dropshipping store or a print-on-demand shop to escape the matrix. They call it passive. But let's be honest. If you're spending 4 hours a night after your 9 to 5 managing suppliers, fighting customer service emails, and tweaking Facebook ads, that's not passive income. That's just a second job, one that doesn't pay a salary and has 0 benefits. This is the hustle culture trap. We were told that to get free, we had to work twice as hard. But you're already exhausted. Your brain is fried by 5 p.m. The last thing you need is another opportunity that requires 20 hours of setup a week. Most of these streams are just high-stress chores in disguise. You're trading your sanity for a few extra bucks a month, while the person selling you the course is the only one actually making passive income. It feels like a hamster wheel. You run faster, you work more, but the finish line keeps moving. The truth: most passive income is a lie. Unless you know exactly where the line between work and system is drawn. Let's be honest. Most passive income is just a freelance job with a fancy name. If you have to spend 20 hours a week managing it, it's not passive. It's a second job. I spent the last 30 days testing the most popular claims to see what actually puts money in my pocket while I sleep. I filtered them by one rule, the zero maintenance test. Here are the only 5 that actually passed. Number 1, the baseline. High-yield savings accounts. This is the lowest barrier to entry. You put your cash in, and the bank pays you for the privilege. No strategy. No risk. It won't make you a millionaire overnight, but it's 100% passive. If your money is sitting in a traditional big bank savings account, you're literally losing money to inflation every second. Number 2, automated dividend growth. This is where we move from saving to investing. You buy shares of companies that pay you just for owning them. The secret here is the DRIP, dividend reinvestment plan. You set it to automatically buy more shares with your payouts. Your money snowballs without you ever logging into the app. Number 3, the front-loaded asset. Digital storefronts. Now, this one is different. It requires time leverage. You spend 10 to 20 hours creating a digital product, a template, an ebook, or a checklist. You upload it once. You sell it forever. Yes, the start is a grind. But once the storefront is live, the income is automatic. That is the definition of sustainable. Number 4, the wealth builder. Index funds. If you want to retire early, stop picking individual stocks. It's a gamble. Instead, buy the entire market. Use an automated investment tool to pull a set amount from your paycheck every month. You aren't betting on one CEO, you're betting on the global economy. It's the most boring way to get rich, which is exactly why it works. And number 5, the landlord shortcut. Rates. You want the profit of real estate without the 3 a.m. phone call about a leaking toilet. Real estate investment trusts let you invest in massive commercial portfolios. You get the dividends, the company handles the property management. No tenants, no toilets, just payouts. The difference between a hustle and passive income is leverage. You either use money to make money, or you use time once to build an asset that pays you forever. So the results are in. Most of these passive streams. Total lies. They're just part-time jobs in disguise. But 3 actually worked. First, the high-yield savings account. 0 effort, just pure interest. I've linked my favorite HYSA in the description to get you started. Next, automated investing. Using an automated tool takes the emotion out of it. Set it and forget it. Check the links below for the tool I use to automate my portfolio. Finally, the digital storefront. Hard work up front, but once it's live, it's a machine. I use a specific platform that handles the delivery and taxes for me. Link is below. Stop trading every single hour of your life for a paycheck. If you want sustainable wealth without the burnout, hit subscribe. Check the description for all the tools I used in this challenge. Let's build something that actually lasts.